Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this quick and very simple video guys, I want to share an experience I faced with my MiFi so that somebody out there that could probably be having same issue can also learn from this. So I'll be showing you guys the issue I faced and how I was able to solve this issue after much panicking. As someone that likes to do research on things, I was on my MiFi's admin portal. You can see here's my admin page. I was doing some settings, configurations, trying some things, amending them. So I went to my device settings. On my device settings, I scrolled down to Wi-Fi settings. So on this Wi-Fi settings, I was actually doing some configurations and all that. Now, mistakenly, you can see this SSID Wi-Fi switch. You can switch your Wi-Fi on, or that you can enable your Wi-Fi or disable it. Once it is enabled, it means that you can see, or means that you can find your Wi-Fi's name or SSID. Like here, you can see right here is my Wi-Fi's name, Collins MTN MiFi. So it means it is enabled. But if you come here and tap on this disable and come and tap on this apply, it means that this very Wi-Fi name will disappear. You can't find it anywhere anymore. Even on your MiFi, that Wi-Fi light that used to show, that light will disappear because you have disabled your Wi-Fi. Even on your phone and all your connected devices, you can't find your Wi-Fi anymore. So this happened to me while I was trying to explore my settings. Mistakenly, I came and tap on this disable and came and tap on this apply. So I lost access to my MiFi SSID. Also on my phone, laptop, I could not connect anymore. I was panicking. I tried different settings. In fact, I was logged out of the admin page entirely. I even called MTN customer service online to try to know if I could solve it, but they said they couldn't help me, that I should go to MTN office in town. So if they can't help me, means I will have to buy a new MiFi. I was panicking. I even entered a taxi on my way. I just thought of something in my mind. I just drove from the taxi and came back. So when I came back, now this is it. Once you experience or encounter such issue, like for instance, you can longer find your Wi-Fi, or let me say you have mistakenly come here and tap on this disable and disabled your Wi-Fi. Now, I want to show you practically. I want to now disable this so that you will see that my Wi-Fi name here will disappear and I can't have access to my Wi-Fi, and at the same time I will be logged out from this admin page. Now you can see if I come here and tap on this apply, just wait and see it's applying. So you can see success, and right now you can see that I have been logged out from my admin portal or page. Now if I come on this connection and come here and tap, you see I can't find my Wi-Fi anymore because my Wi-Fi's name is Collins MTN Wi-Fi. I can't find it anymore. So it means there's no way I can actually connect again and have access to my Wi-Fi and change that settings. So if you're facing such issue, I want to show you guys how I was able to solve this issue. Now, this is how I solve it. So guys, you can see that when you turn or when you disable your Wi-Fi, you can see even on the MiFi here, if I tap here, you can see that this Wi-Fi's light that used to appear here, it won't appear anymore because initially you will see this Wi-Fi light right here. So it means that right now you can't access your Wi-Fi's SSID anymore. So I was so panicking. If you come here on my computer, for instance, you can come here and check on the connections. If I come here and check on connections, you can see you can no longer find your Wi-Fi's name. If you check your phone and everywhere, you can't find it. And it means that you will have to log in, or you will have to connect to your Wi-Fi or to your MiFi before you can change this setting. So I was panicking. I called MTN service to help me out. They said they couldn't help me out. Now this is what I did. After much research, I now discovered that I can actually connect my MiFi to my laptop or computer to do configurations and settings on my admin portal. So if you buy this MiFi, it comes with a USB cable. So just look for a USB cable and come on your computer and connect to the USB port. So this is what I did. So after that, then I came here to the MiFi and now connected the port to the MiFi so that the MiFi can be connected to the computer without the Wi-Fi. You can see that right now I am connected to my computer without my Wi-Fi. You can see it, right? So if I come here to my computer, for instance, you can see right here Collins MTN MiFi, but this is not my Wi-Fi. You can see You can see it, right? So it means that I've actually connected my MiFi directly to my computer without using my Wi-Fi. So after that, you can now come on your browser and tap. You can see I've tapped and I've logged in. Right now I can have internet access and browse on my computer. So I can come here and put my password and log in my admin portal again. You can see it, right? You can see that right now I've logged in my admin portal. So if I come here, you can see right here, you can see that Wi-Fi is off. So it means that I didn't connect with Wi-Fi. I'm actually connected with computer to MiFi. So you can come here again on the device settings, tap on it. Then you can look for Wi-Fi settings here, tap on it. You can see it, right? So you can see that I actually got it disabled. You can come here and tap on this enable here. Then come here and tap on this apply. It's applying. So you can see success. So now I've applied. If I come here on this my Wi-Fi, you can see that the Wi-Fi now is on. So if I come on these connections again and tap on it, you can see my MiFi will appear. You can see my Wi-Fi name Collins MTN MiFi has appeared. You can see. So when this thing happened to me, guys, I was so panicking. Like I felt like I was going to throw this MiFi because I felt like I couldn't solve it. Because to do any MiFi settings, you will have to connect to the MiFi first of all. So guys, I just feel like if any one of you guys is also facing this issue, let me make this video and share my experience so that you can also, through my experience, solve your own similar problem. So guys, thanks for watching and bye.